everyone, my name is Bun and I am back with another video. As you can see, this kind of looks a bit different. That's because I'm trying something new out and something different. So I hope you guys could bear with this. I'm a traditional artist, right? But I am a 2D animation major now. Shocking, I know. You could literally see all my Copics here. I digress. I also changed my sweater. Anyways, now that I'm an animation student, I had to go through the burden of breaking my bank account to get a new tablet. And new tablet did I get, yes. So today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing that tablet and kind of like showing you guys maybe my tablet setup or whatever. And maybe you guys might be seeing animations from me soon or in the future. Not soon, definitely not soon. And yeah, enough of this stupid wacky intro. Let's get on with the video. But we are not going to be opening this in my traditional art location. Let's move on to my digital art location that I'm sure you guys have never seen before. This is my computer desk and this is where I do all the gaming and pretend to be a digital artist, except I don't have any digital software to draw on in this because I'm poor and I use Ibis Paint, and I also have to do all my animation projects here. So yeah, let's just get on to the unboxing. It's always been a dream of mine to be an animation student. I am so happy to be moving on with this step in my life, and I'm so glad to have you guys with me. And even though I'm super beginner in animation, I hope to share some of my work with you soon. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!